Hello viewers, welcome to Inside Real Estate. Did you know that many landlords are suffering silently? Well, a few years ago, a relative of mine who lives in the diaspora came to me and told me, Rachel, I want to sell my property in Chira. In a lot of shock, I asked him, why do you want to sell the property? He told me so many reasons why he should have this property sold. One of them was he had given it to a property manager, in inverted commas, and this property manager, all he did was collect the rent and use the money. He never remitted any money to him. Anyway, he lived in the diaspora. So many property managers use that chance to cheat people. He told me then, when I tried to do it myself, that's now my relative, I also failed because I'm very far away. I can't communicate when the pipes are broken, the water pipes. I will not run to a plumber because I'm very far away. The electricity, there's so many issues with property management. He told me lastly, I gave it to my relative, other relative of mine, of course. And you know what he did? He was so busy. He had his formal job day to day, 8 to 5. He didn't have time to look at the property. As a result, the tenants never paid rent. They enjoyed their stay there. When they got tired, they left. The relative didn't actually know that the tenants had left. They didn't only leave, but they emptied the house properly. Plumbing, electricals, up to the ceiling. That was the first time I entered the house, and even the ceiling electricals had all been stolen. He was so heartbroken and told me, Rachel, for that reason, I want to sell the property. Friends, many of the landlords have been coming to me and they have similar experience. Bad property manager, I have failed, I want to sell. One thing I keep telling them is, give it to me. Give me a year or two. You come back and tell me whether you still want to sell it or not. But that's not the main point. What I'm trying to say is, all those complaints that we are getting from the landlords is because of untrained property managers or untrained property professionals. These days, there are many. You find them on the side roads, on the stages, and they'll say, Jangu nkusolokezeko kuchi, kurent. Nka nkusolokeze kunyumba zimanyo kusoloza, which literally means I know how to collect rent. But friends, property management is more than collecting rent. It involves finances, it involves taxation, it involves maintenance. Maintenance is the heart of property management. Next time you are looking for a property manager, property agent to help you with your properties, please remember to cross-check and find out, do they have some real estate education? This will help you to know that your properties are in the right hands. Someone who has the information on how to manage the property. But two, have you ever thought, before you get this property manager, can you first do a due diligence? Friends, due diligence is not only when you're getting the land transaction. Even when you're getting a property manager, do due diligence. Find out which properties have they managed before. If possible, go and inspect those properties and see how they look. If they're in a bad shape, it means he's a bad property manager. Of course, if they're in a good shape, take them on. It means they know their job. But further still, go to their website. I know many of them do not have websites, but if they have their websites, go to their website. Look at the work they're doing. Look at the reviews. Those are the professional property managers we're talking about. If the reviews are good, that means he's a good person. If the reviews are bad, leave that person or company. Stay far away from them. And lastly, my dear property managers and real estate agents, there is a real estate law that is in the pipeline. Once that law comes up, we will have registers of certified real estate agents, certified real estate property managers. When that chance comes, my dear homeowners or property owners, go to Ministry of Housing, Lands and Urban Development and cross-check and see if they're in the register before you give them business. Let's not just give our properties to everyone who you do not know, who comes and says in Nzensolo za renti. Is that okay? Properties are very, very capital intensive. We put in a lot of money to get these properties. Don't just bring down the value by just giving it to anyone. Do due diligence, get an educated property manager, and once the registers come, go look at the registers. Thank you.